Hi, my friends. So, I love this part of the job. This location is so incredibly inspiring. Mountain range in the background. We kind of mimicked it, some of our energy of our work, but this is next level work. Yeah, so much attention to detail has gone into this. It won't seem like such a wide swath of stone when we're done. We're gonna have plants in here, all around here, around the top. So the edges are gonna kind of push back as our plants overflow. Look at that. We have to do some more detail work in there, but we're gonna drain it and put in our aerator tubs. But we pressure washed it, and this is our first run, so that's why the water's a little filled with sediment. We're gonna have crystal clear water by the time we're done. Two sitting benches. So beautiful. I am loving this feature. Some happy fish that live here soon.